Hello friends, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, that is access modifier. This is a very important topic regarding with the interview. Now discuss the access modifier. In Java, there are four types of access modifier, that is 1 public, 2 protected, 3 private, and 4th is a default. Now discuss the public. Firstly discuss the visibility of all the access modifier. Firstly discuss the visibility of public. The visibility of the public is whole in the Java program or whole in the Java world. That is, we define a method, class, variable as a public, then it is access overall the program package or in the overall Java world. Now discuss the visibility of private. The visibility of the private is only within a class, not outside the class or outside the package. This is only inside a class. This is the visibility of private. The visibility of protected is, to understand the visibility of protected, we should consider two packages, that is package 1 and package 2. Suppose package 1 is consists of some class and classes. These classes are protected. In package 2 there are some classes. We build a relation between package 1 and package 2. Then we access the classes present in package 1 in package 2. That is, we say that the visibility of the protected is within the same package, also outside the package another package, but package 1 is a parent class or super class of the package 2. This is the visibility of protected. Now the visibility of default. The visibility of the default is within the same package. This is the visibility of default. This is the scope of the default is only within a package. Now where we use this access modifier? Firstly public. Instead of local variable, anywhere we use a public access modifier, like we use in instance variable, static variable as constructor, class, method, etc. And then we use private. Class is not a private, outer class is not a private, and local variable is not private. Instead of this, anywhere we use a private, in case of constructor, method, or in case of variable. Now we use protected. Instead of class and local variable, all where we use a protected, like instant variable, static variable, method, anywhere, constructor, we use a default as an access modifier. Now discuss the default. Default is used anywhere, like local variable, constructor, access, local variable, constructor, instance variable, constructor, or method. In this place we are use default access modifier. This is all about the access modifier, the scope of access modifier, and the where we use access modifier. This is all about or all discussion of the access modifier. Thank you.